Do you own a home? Do you want to renovate the home? Maybe add a backyard oasis or an extra room or an ADU, or you just want to redo the roof? You know, there is a way to do that if you don't have a lot of equity now, or you don't have as much cash and you don't want to use your savings and your investments to renovate your home. I have this great program. It's a Renovation HELOC. And let me tell you what, the magic in this is you can borrow up to 95%, not of your current value, but of your after renovation value. That is an incredible difference that allows you to borrow up to $500,000. And here's the kicker. You're gonna pay interest only for 10 years. There are no standard draw inspections like there are in certain renovation loans that you may get out there on the market. This is a great loan product if you want to make that addition to the house again and not break your bank, or you just don't have enough equity yet. And here's the key. You got a low interest rate, you keep that low interest rate. This Renovation HELOC goes as a second lien, all right? And there's no cash out refinance required. So you protect your existing first mortgage and fund major renovations. Again, I can't tell you how big a deal this is. This is like mind-blowing. Realtors, homeowners, your borrow is based on the future value of the home. So if you got a home that's worth $1 million, but the after renovated value is gonna be at 1.2 million, you're gonna be able to borrow more money than if you were going to do a HELOC. And typically a HELOC, you can only do 80% of the value of your property. Now, I will tell you this, you can't do this on an investment property, but you can do it on a primary home and a second home. Really, it's a huge big deal. And this unlocks huge amounts of equity that you have in your home. This is a lot easier than traditional renovation loans too. There's no draws, there's no consultant, there's no bank inspections mid-project. It's way simpler than an FHA 203K or home style or familiar HELOC process. This is way easier. We still got to qualify you, but much easier once you're qualified and the loan has been and the money has been lent. And this is, again, interest only. Interest only for 10 years equals lower payments for 10 years, giving you that opportunity to maybe refinance out of that renovation HELOC at a later time, all the while keeping your investment money safe. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, I cannot stress how great a deal this home equity line of credit is, this Renovation HELOC. This works for buyers too. So say you're buying a fixer-upper. All right, you buy the fixer-upper, you get it below cost. Now you can get, again, up to $500,000 in a renovation HELOC that will take you up to 95% of the after renovation value. So there's no seasoning on that first loan. You can go open up that renovation HELOC right away. That's a huge money saver for you. Again, up to 95% of the after renovation value. And this is another option for people who don't want to give up their home. They got this great interest rate, they got this low mortgage payment. It is better to improve than to move. A great opportunity for you as a home buyer. I tell you what, if you're a realtor, you need to share this with your buyers. If you're a homeowner and you have a home and you want to do renovations and you don't want to take money out of your savings, this program is for you. Let me know. I can run numbers for you. We can make this happen, and we can make it happen pretty quick.